Hey y'all, and welcome back here to the homestead. I'm getting ready to make dinner tonight, and I'm pretty excited for this one. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to make a Taco Bell copycat Mexican pizza. And if I'm being really honest with you, I don't think I've ever had the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. But it looks delicious, and I was looking at the recipe and I was like, man, that sounds so good. So I wanted to try it with you. Now, first off, I need to get the taco meat ready. So we just need to brown up our ground beef and add in our taco seasoning. We now need to add a little bit of oil into a skillet. The recipe says that you need just enough to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. We're not deep frying the tortillas, but we are just kind of frying them so they'll be crispy. So that looks good to me. Let me go get my tortillas. I gave the oil in this pan a little bit of time to heat up, so I'm going to go ahead and put in my tortilla. I will let you know that you're going to need 2 tortillas per Mexican pizza. So just depending on how many pizzas you're going to make for your family, that's how many you'll have to fry up. But we're just going to fry it on each side until it's a golden brown. We get to now assemble our pizzas. So I'm going to take one of my tortillas. I think I'm going to flip it this way because it's kind of rounded up like that. And we're going to first put a layer of refried beans. And it said just to kind of spread it evenly around the whole tortilla. So that's what I'll do with this first one. I think I'm going to do a total of 2 pizzas, one for me and one for Tyler. And so as I do one, I'm probably going to do the other one, but I'll only show you one, okay? After your refried beans, we'll then add on a layer of taco meat. I'm not sure how much, I guess we'll just kind of cover the tortilla. I don't want it to be super, super thick, but I want you to have plenty of protein. So maybe just a little bit more. After our taco meat, I'm going to add on some rotel. Now, you can also just add some chunky salsa, but when I was looking in the pantry, I didn't have any chunky salsa. It said that you didn't want it to be a very liquidy salsa, and I guess that would make sense because it would make it kind of soggy, but I just opened up a can of rotel, and I think that's going to work just fine. After the salsa, we'll add on our second tortilla. And it said to coat the tortilla with enchilada sauce. So I'm just going to kind of take a spoon and gently coat each one with plenty of a yummy enchilada sauce. On top of that, we'll add some sliced black olives. And I am cheating a little bit because it says to add shredded cheese, which is totally fine. I love shredded cheese. But Tyler and I have this favorite Mexican cheese that is so good. Every time we have tacos, any kind of tacos, this is what we have. And let me show you the lid for it. I have it right here. It is this Poncho's white queso. So instead of the shredded cheese, I have it right here. And I went ahead and warmed it up so it would be easy to kind of drizzle over everything. But I'm just going to take it and drizzle it over the olives like that. Really simple, delicious. And the recipe also said to add some tomatoes. So let me go grab some of those. I have some of these teeny tiny fresh cherry tomatoes. And our neighbor actually gave these to us, and they are so good. I did not grow any red cherry tomatoes. I did grow some yellow, I think it was sugar spun, but these are so good. So I definitely think next year I'm going to try and grow some of these. Top that with even more cheese. Now yours might look different than mine. If you just use shredded cheese, yours will look different, and that's fine. But you know, like I say, this is my kitchen. This is our favorite cheese when we eat Mexican food. So y'all just use your favorite cheese when you eat your Mexican food. So I'm really happy with the way these look. I think they're going to be delicious. So we need to pop these in the oven, 350 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. Y'all, these are so fun. That was really easy to put together, as you saw. We probably had that together maybe in like 30 to 35 minutes. So again, another perfect weeknight meal. Now, like I said, I don't think I've ever had one of these from Taco Bell, so I can't necessarily tell you if it tastes just like Taco Bell's or not, but I did give the other one a taste, and this is just my pretty plate. It is really good. Hey y'all, so I am headed outside. Tyler's actually already out here, and I was thinking for this video, for like our homesteading portion, I still want to kind of keep it with like a copycat theme. And so we have all these sunflowers out here, and they have gone through their lifespan and the seeds are ready to harvest. And so my idea, I was actually talking with my sister and my nieces, and we had the idea of, you know how like at gas stations they have different flavored sunflower seeds? So we're gonna make ranch flavored sunflower seeds. Tyler's out here whacking. We have a bunch of these sunflower seeds that I'm wanting to do, but I think tonight I'm just gonna handle one of the sunflower heads because they're huge. Look at it. Oh wow, that is so cool. And then see, these are all just the seeds, and they just like come right out.
Be careful because there's a lot of, they're not as, they're still kind of sharp.
Yeah, those just kind of go, ow, yeah. Yeah, you just pull that seed right out. Oh, I'm so excited, it's gonna be so much fun. Oh, hello Rambo, hello. Oh, also, while we're out here, I wanted to show y'all. Y'all know this huge loofah thing. All season, I was not getting any loofahs growing on the trellis. And then all of a sudden, we just let the garden go wild. If I showed you, you would see. But we decided, it started growing along the fence here. And so we just decided to let it go. And then look, I am finally getting loofahs. I am so excited. Hopefully it's not too late in the season and maybe these will actually dry. We're gonna cross our fingers for it. I'm really excited for these. They're getting so big so fast, so I have a lot of hope for these. And y'all, look how huge this thing is. These are those skyrocket sunflowers. They are massive. I mean, the head is bigger than my head. Hey Mosey, hi, hi bud. Oh, we gotta show everyone, you got a new collar. Technically, he got a belt because he's a big boy. We found this belt over in like the kids section at Walmart, and it's like a fake leather, and it is so nice. Okie dokie. So I washed out my bowl, and we've washed and dried our sunflower seeds. So I'm going to try and transfer them back into this bowl without making a mess. Oh goodness, sunflower seeds are going everywhere. But most of them got in the bowl. So that's a positive. Got one more. Okay. So now to our sunflower seeds, we're going to add some oil. This is going to help the seasoning stick to the sunflower seeds. And then I'm just using ranch seasoning. I think this is going to be so good. And I'm just going to measure this with how much I feel it needs. I want to make sure it has lots and lots of flavor. I think that should be plenty. I'm just going to take a spoon and stir it around and make sure each of these sunflower seeds get well coated with the oil and the seasoning. Pull over my baking dish, and I want to go ahead and put these on the dish, and I want to spread them out as evenly as possible. That way they'll dry faster in the oven. Trying to get it in as much of a single layer as I possibly can. Y'all, this is so fun. You know, when I first put my sunflowers in the ground, I was not thinking about this. I was just thinking they were going to give me a lot of beauty and a lot of joy. But now they're actually going to give me like a snack. This is so fun. This will be a snack. I'll probably like package these up into smaller, like little snack size baggies and put them in the pantry. And then they will be ready all fall and winter. And who knows, with the amount of sunflower, this was one sunflower head. So of all the other sunflower heads we have out there, who knows? It could last us all the way until next harvest time. So we have our oven preheated to 200 degrees. We're going to place these in here. And it said to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes just until they get dry. It's time. My timer just went off. I think I did mine for about 15 minutes. I think they're pretty good. Let's set them over here. Y'all, I'm so excited to try this. I love anything ranch seasoning. So, fingers crossed. Let's see. Whoa. That is so good. Oh, wow. And you know what? It's seed. I actually think it could have used even more seasoning. Like, you can taste it, but I feel like for my personal preference, I want more. So next time, the next batch I make, I'm going to use even more ranch seasoning, which is kind of crazy because I thought I was using a lot. But, you know, it'll be okay. More ranch seasoning, the better, right? But I was also thinking when it was in the oven, I was trying to like think of like different flavors that we could use for this. And one thing I thought about was like as I made those enchiladas for dinner tonight, I thought to myself, what if we use like a taco seasoning blend? I think that would be really good. Like a buffalo seasoning would be good. I know at the gas stations they have like a barbecue. Maybe you could use like a barbecue rub. Y'all, there are endless possibilities. Thank y'all so much for hanging out on the homestead with us this week. We had a lot of fun making both of these copycat recipes. I will tell you, after we made the Taco Bell copycat, when we were eating dinner, Tyler gave me his opinion and he said that he really liked this one. So I'm gonna make sure to put that on a dinner rotation for us. The sunflower seeds are so much fun and are gonna make it the perfect snack. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see y'all next weekend. Bye.